Okay guys, I'm going to explain how the BlackBull offer works as requested. It's very simple. There's an offer on at the moment where you can either come to the website and look at the broker page. It'll tell you about who they are and what the various offers are. Now the main one is getting Wear the Scruff Modules free. So what are Wear the Scruff Modules? Well, if we come up here, I will show you. So you come down, there is currently over 50 modules, step-by-step guide of how to trade. You will get this free if you open an account with BlackBull. If you come down, it'll give you a full description of what it is here. And then there's the differences between one-off packs and going through a membership. Now, how do you find it? Well, you can either find it by going through the brokers page on my website, thescruffytrader.com, or on any video, go down underneath and you'll see it here. Click on that. It'll bring you straight over into the BlackBull page. Now, you have to use one of the two links. There you go. You fund your account with $500. You do a few trades up to around 2 lots. You don't have to do it in one go. You can do it through multiple little trades. That shows BlackBull that you're active and you are trading. And what happens is they will pay the cost for you. So it ends up being free of charge for you. So your only outlay is your own money for your own use. And that's it. Now the way it works from there is once it's been registered, BlackBull will monitor it. Most Saturdays, they run a report, send it to me, and it says such and such is qualified. You get a voucher, and you just put it into the website, and you got free access for life. And you'll also be able to come into the Discord, join the live calls that we do, because I do go live every single day with the guys, and it's real time, no rollback charts. They say the chart, I pull it up and I tell them exactly what I think, or I answer the questions what they need. That's what the BlackBull offer is. It is a super offer to try if you're going to actively trade. And the beauty with BlackBull is they've got tiny wee spreads. You can also, if you come in through the link and you don't want to fund it straight away, you can go in on the standard account and it is commission free. You're not paying any charges. You only pay the spreads. Hope that helps kids and clarifies what the BlackBull offer is. Catch you all soon.